Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here, and today we have here with us the Fitbit Versa Lite. So the Versa Lite is Fitbit's budget version of its Versa line of smart wearables, and it retails for around 150 to 160 bucks, which makes it more affordable compared to other Fitbit devices, such as the regular Versa and the Versa 2, as well as the Versa Special Edition models. It was originally launched last year, and so far it's gotten good reviews in general. So for today, we're just going to do a quick first impressions tour of the Versa Lite. So if you're curious about this smartwatch, then you might want to check out this video just to see what the Fitbit Versa Lite is all about. We're going to see all the different stuff you get inside the box, as well as the watch itself. So I have actually used a fitness tracker before, which is the Atmosfit Hydro. I did a couple of videos on this, although I don't think that it is available internationally, as I bought it back when I was still living in the Philippines. And though it was a competent enough device, I still wanted to try out what Fitbit has to offer in their entry-level range of devices. So if you are new to this channel and enjoyed this video, I just want to say that we are currently on the road to 1,000 subs, so your support through likes and subscriptions will go a long way towards our goal. So we do have the box here on hand, and on the front it just says Fitbit Versa Lite Edition, and yeah, it just shows a picture of the watch. Moving to the side, we do have some information about the watch. So it is swim proof, which is always good. It's got 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, smartphone notifications, and a battery life of 4+ days. So on the back here, it just says 24/7 heart rate tracking, swim proof, so yeah. Automatically tracks activity and exercise, 15+ exercise modes, pace and distance with phone GPS, sleep tracking for light, deep, and REM sleep, smartphone notifications plus apps, interchangeable bands which are sold separately, and a battery life of 4+ days as it's said on the other side. So yeah, it also includes small and large wristbands. So opening up the box, you do get more stuff, of course. You get some paperwork here. Fitbit Versa Lite Edition, which is, yeah, it's a quick start guide and to start download the Fitbit app. And it shows you how to remove and replace the straps, as well as what's inside the box. Some more pictures in there. And you do have some safety instructions and a limited warranty from Fitbit. Let's get that out of the way. Of course, you do get the watch itself. Yeah, it looks pretty rad actually. We're going to take a look at that later. Here we have the charging dock or charging cradle, whatever you want to call it. And it's pretty unique. This is actually my first Fitbit, so I have little experience with charging cradles as far as smartwatches go. So you also get the extra strap here, which is good in case you find that the stock strap doesn't fit well with your arm or your wrist. And yeah, so let's take a look at the watch itself. So this is the Fitbit Versa Lite. As you can see, it's made out of aluminum. It says so on the website, actually. So I have set up this device. It's actually pretty straightforward to set up. You just need to download the Fitbit app on your smartphone to complete the setup. It'll guide you through your data and all the stuff you need to input so that the watch can start tracking your activity. And the app also advises you to charge your device upon opening it so you don't run out of battery while you're setting up your Fitbit Versa Lite. So the strap is made out of silicone, I think, and it feels actually nice to the touch. It's got this charcoal gray color, which is the particular color that I ordered. And on the front, you just get this black display, which is made out of Gorilla Glass, which is a nice touch. So it should survive the occasional knock and bump if you tend to drop your watches or hit them around while wearing them. So what makes this different from the original Fitbit Versa in terms of design is the button layout, particularly on the sides. So with the original, you had one button on the left and a couple more on the right. But with this, they removed the 2 additional buttons on the right, and you just have the single button, which is on the left side, as your main physical control for the watch. So yeah, it looks a bit more like the Fitbit Versa 2. If I recall correctly, they also removed the 2 buttons on the side there. So comparing it to my Atmosfit Hydro, it's almost twice the width of the Atmosfit Hydro, and it definitely has a more premium feel to it. So right next to the G-Shock, the G-Shock is just really large. It just dwarfs this Fitbit in terms of size and width. It's actually also twice the thickness of the Fitbit Versa Lite. Alright, so this pretty much sums it up for this video. I'll be using the Versa Lite to give you guys a more comprehensive perspective of how this device functions as a smartwatch and as a fitness tracker. So far, I think it's going to be worth the cash I spent on it, and I'm looking forward to making it my fitness tracker / smartwatch of choice. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.